Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix streak feature not showing on TikTok. So if in the case that your streak feature is not showing on the TikTok application, firstly, the first step that we need to do is to go on over the App Store and make sure that we have the latest version of TikTok installed on our devices. So going over and doing a quick search of the TikTok application and making sure that you have the latest version installed on your device should solve this issue. One more thing is to be aware that the new TikTok streak feature is only going to be available and enabled once you send a specific TikTok video to your friend within a specific 3 days. So you do need to go ahead and do this consistently for 3 days straight so that you could receive the option to gain this new TikTok streaks. And from there, the next succeeding days from that 3 days, of course, TikTok will now count the streaks that you have sent succeeding from that 3rd day or on the 4th day. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.